Welcome to Inhow. Today, we're diving into how to start a minimalist lifestyle. If you're feeling overwhelmed by clutter or want to simplify your life, you're in the right place. Let's explore how minimalism can transform your life. What is minimalism? Minimalism is a lifestyle choice that emphasizes living with less. It's about focusing on what truly matters and letting go of excess. Minimalism is not just about decluttering your space, it's about decluttering your mind and life. It involves making intentional choices about what you keep and what you let go. The goal is to create a life that's less about material possessions and more about experiences and relationships. Why embrace minimalism? Embracing minimalism can lead to reduced stress and increased happiness. When you declutter your physical space, you create a more peaceful environment. A minimalist lifestyle can help you focus on what's important and free up time for meaningful activities. By owning fewer items, you can also save money and reduce your environmental impact. Minimalism encourages mindful living and can lead to a more fulfilling life. Step 1. Assess your current lifestyle. Start by evaluating your current lifestyle and identifying areas of excess. Take a look at your home, schedule, and commitments. Ask yourself, what aspects of my life feel overwhelming or cluttered? Consider both physical and mental clutter. This step helps you understand where to begin your minimalist journey. Step 2. Declutter your space. Begin the decluttering process by focusing on one area at a time. Start with a small, manageable space like a drawer or a closet. Remove items that you no longer use or that don't bring you joy. Ask yourself if each item serves a purpose or adds value to your life. Donate, sell, or recycle items that don't meet these criteria. As you progress, gradually move on to larger spaces like rooms or your entire home. Remember, decluttering is a process, so be patient and persistent. Step 3. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule. To maintain a minimalist lifestyle, practice the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, remove an existing item. This rule helps prevent accumulation and keeps your space clutter-free. It also encourages thoughtful purchasing decisions. Before buying something new, consider if it's truly necessary and if it will add value to your life. Step 4. Simplify your schedule and commitments. Minimalism extends beyond physical spaces. It also involves managing your time. Evaluate your daily schedule and commitments. Identify activities or obligations that don't align with your priorities or values. Learn to say no to commitments that cause stress or don't contribute to your happiness. Focus on activities and relationships that are meaningful and fulfilling. Simplifying your schedule can help you create more time for relaxation and personal growth. Step 5. Reduce digital clutter. Digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. Organize your digital files by creating folders and deleting unnecessary documents. Unsubscribe from email lists that don't provide value or bring you joy. Limit screen time and set boundaries for social media usage. Keeping your digital life organized and intentional can help reduce stress and improve productivity. Step 6. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine to enhance your minimalist lifestyle. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused on what truly matters. Practice meditation or deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and reduce stress. Being mindful of your thoughts and actions can help you make intentional choices and avoid unnecessary clutter. Mindfulness supports a minimalist lifestyle by promoting clarity and contentment. Step 7. Embrace minimalist living. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's about making ongoing, intentional choices that align with your values. Embrace the minimalist mindset by focusing on quality over quantity. Prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. Remember, minimalism is personal and can look different for everyone. Find what works best for you and continue to refine your approach. Thank you for joining us on this journey to minimalism. We hope you found these tips helpful in starting your minimalist lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on simplifying your life. Let us know in the comments how you plan to start your minimalist journey. Until next time, keep it simple and live intentionally.